Choosing a textbook for pathology might be quite difficult as there are a lot of options out there and you might not really know what is best for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you directly what books you need to buy right now, and I have given the link for all the books in the description. Make sure you buy them all and start crushing pathology from right now. Before starting, if you are new here, I would highly recommend to subscribe to my channel because it helps me to make more videos and it also helps a lot of medical students out there. Also, I have introduced a new membership called First Bench Students. Click it and join today and you'll be able to watch my videos before everyone else, and also some secret tips will be given and it will help me buy more resources for my channel as well. Okay, now let's get right into the video. First of all, Pathoma. Now it is like an opioid drug, at least that's how I feel while reading it. It will give you a crisp summary of all the diseases. Before going to class, I will usually say the topic on the schedule and have a quick glance on the key points of the topic on Pathoma. And after that, the class makes a lot more sense. The story doesn't end here. This is also a very useful revision material before Viva and exams. It's a must-have, so click the link in description and buy it right now. Second book is Robbins. The hype my friends gave while we started pathology, my god, Robbins is tough. Let's read some Indian author book, etc. I mean, I wouldn't say Indian author books are any low, but if you ever heard any nerd in your class telling Robbins is the Bible of pathology, don't doubt it. He really meant it. After reading a textbook like Pathoma and attending the class, that evening I come back home and read the topic in Robbins with a separate notebook for pathology, different color highlighters in hand, and the entire stationery I like to make the reading session more interesting. Take my word here, if you read few topics in Robbins and start loving the subject, you would never stop. I will leave a link for Robbins textbook and my favorite stationery in the description. Check it out. Now moving on. Goljan Rapid Review Pathology. This textbook is a gem. I mean, it has good illustrations, quick summary of all topics, but compared to Pathoma, it has slightly more information. But if you ask me to choose between Pathoma or Goljan, I would say both. You see, this textbook will be a perfect material to read and revise and a good add-on to your revision along with Pathoma. From this book, I have taken references for a lot of my short pathology videos on this channel and my other channel 2 Minute Doc. The link is in the description of that channel as well. It is a must-have, guys. I will provide the link for this book in the description. That's it, guys. We came to the end of this video. It would really be helpful if you join the membership First Bench Students by clicking the button next to subscribe. You will get early access to all my videos. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite pathology textbook and what you want me to talk about in my next video. Hit the like button and share this video to your friends who are studying pathology right now or in future. It might really be helpful for them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.